Better vacuums often begin with a simple idea, like a bigger brush bar, with over 18,000 bristles to drive deep into carpets, and a newly developed cleaner head with epicyclic drive for strong brush power and better pickup. It connects easily, offering variable suction control for all types of dust and debris. And with ball technology, it's easy to maneuver. We've improved acoustic engineering to make it quieter. Included an instant release wand with a total 13.8 meter reach, and it's easy to carry to reach those awkward places. By Dyson's exacting standards, it's tough. So there you have it, a new Dyson vacuum developed in our lab to perform where it counts, in your home.